Hi, this is Mike from Mike Investigates, and today I got with me it's a MacBook Pro. Apparently that my friend's MacBook won't even turn on without plugging it in. It won't update, and the battery is shot. So I did order the parts, and here they are, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, let's open this package up. Quite a large box for 2 items. Okay, we got, this should be the battery. And it looks like it is. So this is the battery for it. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. Full focus. Yeah, it's a MacBook Pro model A1281. Okay, set that down. All right, let's open this guy up. And it was bundled with this guy. This is the actual cord that was for this MacBook Pro. So it doesn't have any identification on it. Oh yeah, here we go. If we can see this. There it is, and I'll read it to you if I can read it. It's rated for, wow, hard to read. Okay, it's 5 volts, 16.5 volts at 4.6 amps. Okay. Yay. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this laptop, or this MacBook set up here, plug it in, see if the battery, if that'll actually boot up. I'll see you in a second. Okay, I got in. It's a MacBook Pro. It's a 266 gigahertz core iCore 2 Duo, or 4 gigs of memory, and GeForce 9400. Alright, and we're operating on OS X 10, or excuse me, yeah, 10.8.5. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, alright, so let's disconnect this battery and replace it real quick. Here's the screenshot of it, a MacBook Pro. Let's turn it around. It does have some damages on it right here. I don't know if I'll be able to repair that or not, but, and it has a little latch here. You push this up, this pops off. You guys seen this? Yeah, you are. Okay, so while this is left up, we go ahead and pull this out. This is the old battery, which is no good. This is the new battery. This is the new battery. This is the old battery. And it looks like it's a perfect match. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this in. We'll put the cover back on. And make sure that that's still flipped up. And it'll pop down somewhat already. And see if it fires up for us. It should have some type of battery. It should ship with a little bit of battery. Alright. Alright, well, I'll give this a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like we have a battery of 70%. And yeah, let's go ahead and I think I'm going to be just go ahead and wiping it. There's no data whatsoever on here, so let's plug this in. Let's see if it'll start charging. And yes, we are charging. If it looks like right there. And we're at 70%. Good job. Good going. Okay, now I think the next thing I want to do is go ahead and do the Control R on the restart and just clean it completely out and start from scratch. And I'll be right back. Okay, so we're at the OS X utilities. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall an OS X. Actually, I want to do a disk utility. And hit continue. Let's see if it's actually it's a 320 gig hard drive, so I'm going to go ahead and erase. And I'm going to make sure it is journaled, extended journaled, and I'm going to go ahead and erase it. It's going to erase the volume, and it's going to force it to reinstall the OS system. So let's go ahead and reinstall OS X. I'll hit continue. Alright, we're going to have to go ahead and turn on, connect to a Wi-Fi first. I'll be here back in a second. Okay, I'm back, and like I said, I did turned it off and hit the Control, Command, and then R all at the same time, and that brought me up to the when I first started recording here in this segment, or the last segment. So we're going to go ahead and continue. Download and restore OS. Your computer eligibility will be verified with Apple. Go ahead and continue. And this, what this is doing is a complete fresh copy of the OS onto this machine. We'll select the HD. We'll install. And it's asking for an Apple ID. We'll hit cancel. I guess I'll have to create an Apple ID and then a password. So I'll be right back. Well, unfortunately, I actually removed the recovery software when I deleted or formatted that hard drive. So now I'm stuck with downloading an image of the Mountain Lion OS and then taking it and putting it on this, which I should have done first on recovery mode prior to me doing any of that. And I forgot that step. So I'll get back with you in a second when I've got that downloaded. Okay, I'm back, and what I'm doing right now is I'm doing Transmac version 12.7, of course, under evaluation. Downloaded it. I am formatting the USB drive right now for Mac purposes. So as soon as I get that done, I'll come right back. Okay, so we are in the process of restoring the image, the DMG image, onto this hard drive, or not the hard drive, but flash drive. And I do believe I got that from where did I get it? I got it from the Hackintosh community. So I went on the Hackintosh community and I got OS Mountain Lion. And of course I had to create a login for it. And I got my image, and now I'm taking that image and using this guy, Transmac, to get that image onto that flash drive. So it's right at 8%, and I'll be back when it's done. See you in a second. Okay, so it says that the restore is complete. And we'll go ahead and hit OK. We'll just close out of that. And then I'll set you over here and bring you down so you can see this. And then I'm going to take and remove the flash drive. Go ahead and plug this back in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to push the power button on. We're going to hit the Alt key / Option. Now hold that down. And then this comes up. If I can zoom in, and that's the flash drive. So we'll go ahead and select, and it's called EFI boot. And let's see if we got circled. And it looks like, yep. I'll have this loaded up, and then once I get that done, I'll be right back. Okay, so the previous Transmac attempt to load that flash drive failed. It kept on looping me back to a needs to reinstall. So I re-downloaded Mac OS Mountain Lion 10.8.5 from All Mac World, and I'm using the Transmac right now, and it's formatting the flash drive disk, and hopefully this one works, and I'll be right back in a second. Okay, finally I got it loaded, but it wasn't because I didn't load it up from this guy. Excuse me, from that one, but I found the flash drive that I had backed up from my previous MacBook Air. So, yay! So I am installing Mountain Lion OS, which it had it on. I had to sign into my improvised iCloud account. Anyways, I'll be back when this is done for this MacBook Pro. Alright, quick update. If I can get this right here, it's 3 minutes till remaining. I'm currently downloading additional components. 2 minutes now, and it should restart, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so here we are. We got it loaded up. About this Mac is OS X version 10.8.5. It's a 2.66 gigahertz core, Intel Core Duo for 4 gigs of DDR3. Let's go with more information. Let's see what. Okay, so yeah, it has a NVIDIA GeForce 9400, a cool 256 megabytes of video RAM, and yeah, good stuff. See you in a second. Okay, so I am uploading that image onto the Transmac. If I can focus this. And that file will be available if anybody wants it. You're going to have to message me. So, also, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down. Put some comments in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.